Long and short satin stitch is a really useful filling stitch, although it takes practice to cover the fabric evenly. This is my recent attempt at silk shading on linen using a single strand of floss. You can see where I've missed my place in the linen weave here and there and not got the coverage quite right. I've stitched this rectangle on even weave linen to help me keep the stitches as evenly spaced as possible. I used 3 strands of embroidery floss, which provides a good coverage. Long and short stitch uses staggered stitch placement, which is very useful for blending thread shades. You can see I've marked the rows to help me keep both stitch lengths consistent. I don't think it matters if you start with a long or a short stitch first. The main thing is that they alternate and each stitch sits closely to the next one to cover the fabric as fully as possible. Once you've completed your first row, you have the foundation for the rest of the design. From the second row until you reach the end, the stitches are all the same size, but they sit in a staggered pattern as every other stitch reaches into the row above. Continue to stitch each row with this alternating pattern. You can see that this works very well for creating a shading effect through the design. When you reach the end of the design, fill in the remaining half stitch lengths to finish off the pattern. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more tutorials, you can check out my stitch library here. Bye for now.